Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I know I've been gone a long time, but we're gonna fix that. We're also gonna talk about it throughout the video, you know, why I've been gone and everything else. So let's just get into the video. Okay, I went to the Dollar General and I wanted to find some new makeup that I haven't tried, and I was gonna do a bunch of just anything I could find at Dollar General, but I ended up finding Believe Beauty. Don't know, I've never really heard of it. I'm assuming it's like a Dollar General brand. I'm not sure. So I tried to get everything for a full face in the Dollar General. I may have missed some things, but we're about to find out, I guess. I already have moisturizer on, so I found this primer that looks like maybe a child has eaten or something. Not too sure. But it's Believe Beauty Pretty and Primed Hydrating Primer. It's not gonna... It's blue with sparkles in it. Can you see that? Okay, it's blue with sparkles in it. Is this gonna break me out? Probably. It doesn't really smell. It is very hydrating. Already I can tell, because it feels like water on my skin. And I'm just going to put this everywhere. Skin Finish Foundation, medium to full coverage. And this is in the shade Porcelain. That's what it looks like. And in this shade. Okay, it's a little pump applicator. Okay, cute. Now that my sponge is wet, I'm going to do okay, it looks a little dark for me. Okay. This is not my color. I've basically been doing school for like since the last time I made a video, and it never stops. But right now it's getting to the point where it's slowing down again, and working and doing YouTube and going to school, it's just too much. Like, I don't know if you're doing that out there, like kudos to you, but like me and my stress level, no ma'am, not for me. Next we have Your Covered Liquid Concealer in the shade Pearl. Looks like this. In the shade Pearl. Another freaking Dollar General security tag. This is the applicator. This looks very yellow. I feel like that didn't brighten my face. Maybe if I put like a little more under my eyes. Like I need some there. I need some there. Let's see what that does. I have this powder. This was the only powder they had. There was no pressed powders. It was all loose powder. And the shade range, like this is light to medium. Like there was nothing below this. It's just light, medium, dark. Like that was it. So anyway, it looks like this. And then I'm going to take this fluffy brush, BH Cosmetics 3 Fluffy. And I'm going to try to very ever so lightly dust this on my face. We're going to move on to bronzer. And this is Sunstruck Marbleized Bronzer in Sun-Kissed Honey with the ugly sticker on it. I'm going to use this as my bronzer brush today. This is the Morphe M523. It's very dirty. It looks like this, kabuki. Look at how much is... Okay. This is going to be very powdery. Yes, ma'am. This is a Get Glowing Highlight and Contour Palette in Medium Deep with the ugly sticker on it. I'm using my same brush that I did for bronzer to do blush. And I'm going to use this middle shade. It doesn't have a color. It just says Medium Deep. But I'm going with this middle one right here. Oh my god. Clown. Oh my god. Okay. I'm put a little on my nose. Okay, we have got to dull that down just a little bit. So that's very pigmented. Hopefully I have some good videos coming soon. If you like want to see like any kind of video, like a makeup routine or whatever else, just let me know. But I have some Vlogmas videos coming. I have Justin Bieber concert coming. And then whatever y'all want to see, just let me know. I can do a skincare too if y'all want that. But here is the highlighters. Beautiful, beautiful. And it is the Luminizing Glow Trio in On Cloud 9. I think I'm gonna go middle shade. I want this brush in the Gold Morphe collection. I don't know what it is, but it's good for highlighter. So I'm gonna very lightly tap. Once again, this has a little bit of kickback. So if that's something you don't like, okay. It's subtle, but it's there. Okay, it's definitely buildable. Cute. So this is what we're looking at so far. Highlighter definitely brings out my texture in my skin. We have this eyebrow pencil. It is brow defining pencil in light brown. It has the brush on one end and the pencil on the other. Am I holding it upside down? And there you go. I'm assuming once you run out, it's just gone. Like, there's no twisty. Maybe you could sharpen it, but I don't know that I would sharpen that. That's what that looks like. And then you have the little brush on the other end. So we're going to brush the eyebrows up. First impression, it glides on like very nicely. Kind of feels like a pomade. Also, the Dollar General I went to, they had 2 colors left, so this is the closest one, and it's a little dark if I say so myself. I have two different color eyebrows. This is what the pencil looks like after one use. You can tell it's slanted. Not a fan. These eyebrows is way too dark, baby. This, never used it before. I normally do not prime my eyelids. I just use foundation or concealer and then set it. But they had this Lock It In eyeshadow primer. So I got translucent, and they had another one that was like universal or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna try this, but I already put powder and everything else on my eyelids, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go on my eye. Maybe put a little bit and then take a brush, like this brush, this old e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. Looks like that. And just put it around my eye. And then I have this eyeshadow palette. They had eyeshadow palettes that were like 6 colors, but nothing bigger. And all of them are not really, like, they're all shimmers. There's no mattes. Anyway, this is the Nearly Nude eyeshadow palette. And it looks like fall colors. It is tacky on my eye. But there's maybe 2 matte ones out of 6. So I'm going to take this brush. It's from Amazon. I don't really know what that brand is, but it looks like this. It's just a big fluff brush, probably for concealer or something. But I'm not using it for concealer. And I'm going to put, all I have is a brown to work with. I guess I'm going to put this brown in my eye. None of it tapped off. Okay. Okay. Let me zoom in. And we're going to just tap that. I'm kind of wondering if this is like a dupe for the P. Louise base. Maybe. I don't think you can't really swipe. You have to stamp. I'm gonna use this copper shade. I'm gonna take it on this Morphe Gold Collection brush. It's just a flat brush. And I'm gonna dip into this copper shade. I'm gonna take this from the contour palette, the dark shade, and just see what happens if I put it in my outer corner. That just made it splotchier. Let's try the next eye. I took this purple brown, whatever this is supposed to be, under my eye a little bit. Kind of smoke it. I don't know. A for effort. A for effort. We're going to take this teeny tiny brush. Actually, yeah, we're going to take this brush. It's the BH Cosmetics 11 brush. And I'm going to go to the highlighter palette. And I'm going to take this gold shade. And I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Okay, I thought I was. We're going to curl the lashes. Okay, we curled the lashes. Now I got this mascara. It's a High Drama Fiber mascara. Tiny fibers coat lashes to create full, lush, dramatic look. Looks like this. This is what it looks like. It's very light. This is what the one looks like. Now let's try it, okay? I'm gonna get a little closer. Okay, okay. It's not really doing much. Okay, I think that's as good as we're gonna get, guys. Okay. And we're going to use it on the bottom lashes. On to the next, because this has been so fun. Okay, I have a lip liner. This is Long Lasting Lip Liner in Almost Rose. Looks like this. And, okay, this one is twist up. Okay, it looks like this. You're gonna line. Okay, I filled in a little bit. That's what they look like. And I do like this lip pencil. It's very creamy. Felt good on my lips. Then we have this lipstick. And this is in the color Vintage Romance. It's called Satin Crush Lipstick in Vintage Romance. Okay, this is the lip color. Beautiful. It's very beautiful. That's how much product you get. Okay. Let's see what this does for us, okay? I did not plan the lipstick with the eyeshadow look, as you can tell. They don't go together. This lipstick feels very thick. Like, it does not feel comfortable on my lips. It does not feel comfortable on my lips at all. Anyway, that's the lipstick with my crusty lips. But if you like this makeup look, I mean, I tried my best with what I had. I mean, for the prices of these products, you know, I mean, they're not bad. So as far as prices go, it's a good price point. You know, it gets the job done. Is it what I would normally wear? No. But I mean, it's all right. Anyway, if you like this makeup look, you probably don't like it. Anyway, I'm having more videos to come. I will have more videos out for everybody soon. I'm trying, because this is what I really want to do. It's really enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. I forgot what I say. Do I say have a good day? I don't remember. Thank you for watching.